Hello my dear friends, I'm Damer. Today here in this video we are going to look at our roller crusher. And we had the customer to ask how the stones run down through the roller crusher. Yeah, let me show you. That is the two motors and the two gearboxes. When the motors rotates and the gearbox, yeah, that is the gearbox. The gearbox will reduce the speed of the shaft. Yeah, the stones run down through the two spinning rollers, and it will be squeezed into less than the 5 millimeters, and it enjoys high yield about 95%. That is a small window. Yeah, it used to checking the situation of the roller. Yeah, and that is the grease pump. It will automatically to send the grease to the shaft. There are also windows.